NoisyFarm, my first touch and feel sound book. It includes 6 sounds. This is a cow. She lives in her barn with her calf. The cow likes to eat grass. Can you moo like a cow? Let's pat the cow to hear her. This is a rooster. He wakes up the farm each day with a loud crow. He lives with hens and chicks. Let's count how many chicks there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you crow like a rooster? Let's ruffle the rooster's feathers to hear him cock-a-doodle-doo. These are piglets. They are baby pigs. They like to play in the straw and roll in the mud. They have curly tail. Can you oink like a piglet? Let's tickle the piglet's ear to hear him. These are lambs. Lambs are baby sheep. Yeah. They like to jump and play. Can you baa like a lamb? Say baa. Say baa. Let's rub the lamb's fleece. Yes, say baa. Say baa. Do. Baa. Yeah. And this is a horse with her foal. The horses are the fastest animals on the farm when they gallop. Can you neigh like a horse? Let's touch the horse's mane to hear her. So now that you have visited the farm, which animal is your favorite? Which animal is your favorite, Faith? Which one? Is it the dog? Is it the cow? The horse? Which one? Is it the pig? What's that sound? What is that sound? Which one?